creating professional motion graphics used to require hundreds of hours mastering After Effects or DaVinci Resolve. But now, HeyGen's Hyperframes converts simple text prompts and HTML code into studio-quality animations instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to generate high-end motion graphics in seconds, without touching complex software. Before we jump into building, let's talk about a major shift happening in programmatic video: Remotion versus HeyGen Hyperframes. If you've researched how to make motion graphics with AI, you've probably heard of Remotion. For a long time, Remotion was the go-to framework for code-driven video editing. But Hyperframes changes the game completely. While Remotion requires manually writing complex React code, HeyGen Hyperframes lets AI agents generate frame-accurate AI motion graphics directly from HTML and plain text prompts. You can deploy Hyperframes through online agent platforms like Z.ai, Arena AI, or FreeBuff, or run it locally using terminal agents like Codex or Claude Code. For this video, we're using Arena AI because it's 100% free, runs right in your browser, and gives you unlimited video generations. Quick favor, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, comment the word valuable down below. It helps boost this video in the algorithm so more creators can discover how to create motion graphics with AI for free. Now, look at these three motion graphic styles on screen: a clean minimalist design, a viral podcast caption animation with dynamic zooms, and an ultra-modern product launch video. Stick around until the end because I'm giving you the exact workflow to create all three yourself. Let's build our first example, a sleek minimalist motion graphic. Head over to hyperframes.heygen.com, scroll to the bottom, and copy the terminal installation command. Next, open Arena AI agent. Paste the command and instruct the agent to install all Hyperframe skills. Tell it to configure its environment with the native Hyperframes render engine, FFmpeg, and Chromium. Now that our environment is ready, let's look at the minimalist preview we're aiming for. To create this AI motion design, you don't need any coding skills, just descriptive natural language. In your prompt, be very specific about your visual environment. Tell the AI agent to build a smooth gradient background that seamlessly blends rich electric purple with crisp white. Describe the motion graphics clearly. Specify fluid entrance transitions, soft easing curves for text elements, and clean spatial placement. If you have reference photos or color palettes, upload them directly to the AI agent so it can read your visual style and extract the exact colors. Once your detailed prompt is ready, hit send and let the AI build the animation. Look at that final output: crisp, professional, and rendered in seconds. Stop putting random hashtags in your YouTube descriptions. You're leaking views to competitors and completely missing out on AI search traffic from ChatGPT and Gemini. I created a 2026 description blueprint featuring the one hashtag trap to keep viewers locked on your channel, plus the exact AEO layout that forces AI to recommend your videos. Grab the complete copy-paste template inside our Patreon community by clicking the top link right now. Now let's move on to example 2, the viral podcast niche. You see these clips everywhere on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, featuring celebrity clips, animated captions, and dynamic zooms that keep retention sky high. If you want to process video files in Arena AI, you can't upload large MP4s directly. Here's a secret workaround. Upload your podcast video to a Google Drive folder named Quick Share. Set the folder permission to public and copy the share link. Paste that link into Arena AI. Prompt the AI agent to download the video, analyze the clip frame by frame, and transcribe the audio with exact word-level timestamps. Crucially, instruct the AI agent to save this full analysis into an analyze.md markdown file in its workspace. This ensures the agent preserves complete context of your video's audio and visual timing throughout the rendering process. Now, for the magic tip, adding viral captions and auto-zooms. Tell the AI agent to install a custom font like Coolvitica. Set the caption position to the middle of the screen with a word-by-word slide-up animation style. For the zoom effects, prompt the agent. Analyze the timestamps from our analyze.md file and apply quick, punchy zoom cuts on key emotional words to give the video an energetic, live podcast feel. Check out the result: perfectly synchronized captions and dynamic zooms generated completely hands-free. As promised, here is how to create high-end product launch videos, the kind top brands spend thousands on. First, open the GitHub repository link in my video description. Click into the Assets folder, then open the Clips folder. You'll see pre-rendered video clips like C01.mp4. Copy this exact URL from your browser address bar. Now, navigate back to the main repository folder. Open the Examples folder, click into the Instagram folder, and open the index.html file. Copy all the HTML code inside. Head back to Arena AI. Paste both URLs, instruct the agent to download the clip files, and paste the index.html code. Tell the AI agent to analyze C01.mp4 frame by frame alongside the HTML code so it understands the template's motion structure. Now give it your brand prompt. Recreate this exact product launch animation style for Facebook using Facebook's official brand logo and signature blue color palette. Now, look at this final video the AI agent generated. Hiring a motion designer to manually create a high-end product launch video like this would easily cost $1,000 or more. With HeyGen Hyperframes, you get studio-level quality completely free in under 2 minutes. And that is how you build professional motion graphics using Hyperframes. If this brought you value, hit the like button and subscribe. For all my prompt templates, asset links, and exclusive workflows, join our Patreon community linked at the top of the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.